Okay, a nice little Porsche Targa 4S, and everybody's favorite color. It's had a complete detail, a 3-stage paint correction. Very nice condition. Wet sanded this fender here, corrected it. Front bumper and front fender have been repainted. You'll notice a difference in color between the hood and those two pieces, but it looks very good, of course. These cars fade over time, and matching the paint is pretty difficult. Here we've got your repairs on this side. I think you'll find outstanding. You now have new guards on each fender. Everything came out great. It's ready to roll.